Well, yeah, I think we're in for a storm today. Not many days left. Still got, I'm going to make a couple more videos probably for you guys. But we were going to take the sunset pictures. And I don't know. It gets this dark, there's not many sunsets. Not too pretty. But we do have a little light over here, so if that blows over there, we should have a really beautiful sunset. And if I do, I will show it to you. For you people that have followed me for a long time, or know me for a long time, down here in Yuma, me and Hank used to walk out here in this desert, and we're doing it right now. Had a big rainstorm a little bit ago, and so we're parked here and we're going to see if we get a good shot of the old sunset. But I thought, well, I'm going to let Hank out and see if he remembers this place. And he hasn't said a word, but he is peeing on everything just like he used to. Right over there, I'm going to start my finger right here. We don't know what them white buildings are. That's new to me. But starting right there and going all the way over to there is solar panels as far back as I can see. Oh, let's see if I can zoom in. There you can see them better. I don't know what they power or anything. I don't see any sources. There's some big power poles, I guess, over there. But we're wondering about these white boxes. Sorry, I'm going to zip you over a little fast. We don't know what them are. I don't know if that's something to do with the power source or something. If you guys know, let me know. Anyway, if a good looking sunset pops up, I will send it to you. Well, what do we got? 59 seconds of video. It took me about 10 minutes to get that. We're doing a time lapse here, guys. Trying to catch some beautiful sunsets. But it ain't cooperating with us. There's the sun over there. And nothing to write home about. This big old rain cloud come over just as the sun went down. So, yeah, that's all we got going on here. So right at the end of this little short video here, I'm going to throw on this 61 seconds of high-speed video. But see, there's a lot of people out here. You can see cars and lights out here, and they're all waiting for that beautiful sunset. That does happen. Yeah, I won't be able to show you because we're leaving probably. Yeah, we're leaving in about 48 hours or what? No, not tomorrow morning, but the next morning we're leaving. And so I doubt if we get a sunset. If we do, I'll film it, but it looks like this might be it. There's all the houses, as you can see. That highway road right there is 38, I think. So, or 40. That's 40. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not thinking we're going to get anything tonight. No, she's gone. She's gone. What time is it, guys? They can't hear me. They're all playing on their phones. But I think it's after the time. So that's going to be it for now. Well, guys, just going to try to get a sunset for you for the end of this video of our Yuma adventure. Not going to happen, it looks like. So this is going to be the closeout of the Yuma adventure. Man, have we had a good time down here with the Blood family. And Mike and Junlin. I try to have a good time, and I try to be good friends to all you YouTube people that I meet. And I haven't had a bad experience at all. Every one of you are great people. But we're sitting here having a little toddy and talking about old times, planning the Sturgis trip. Boy, do I got something for the boys out there in Sturgis when we get there. And I hope you guys come and see us. I think we're going to have the same crew as we did last year. I'm hoping Gunner gets to go. He may not. But I think Mike's going this year. You met him, seen him in an earlier video. Great guy. So I hope you follow our Sturgis adventures, and I hope you enjoy this adventure in Yuma, Arizona, because I know we've had a good time being here. Thank you, guys. Well, like I said a little bit in the ending video right there, hey, we're headed down the road in this photo, and that's the way it looks when we're going down through Arizona. We are going to do a lot more adventures, so I hope you're subscribed to my channel. We're going to go up in the hills, do some jeeping, and do some camping. Beautiful places in Idaho to do that. We're also going to head to Sturgis, South Dakota, and we're going to meet all the boys, like I said earlier. Looks like there's quite a few of them going to go this year, and we will have some live Sturgis talking, broadcasts, I guess, talking about Sturgis. So stay tuned for that. One more clip coming up after this one, and then let's start some new stuff. Okay?